You're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Rapid TV. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.